Welcome to this remarkable renovation project, nestled in the heart of TTDI Kuala Lumpur. Today, we're diving into a transformative journey of a single-story intermediate linked house that has been reimagined into a stunning 2.5-story home. This is a story of minimalist design blended with spatial ingenuity, an exploration into how architecture can enhance living. Our story begins with a young, adventurous couple, Jay and Qingyi, who envision not just a home, but a living space that reflects their dynamic lifestyle. Their goal? To create a harmonious environment where family interaction, comfort, and playful exploration coexist seamlessly. The renovation started with a bold move, elevating the existing single-story structure to a double-story height while maintaining the familiar neighborhood skyline with the same roof pitch. The traditional roofline was cleverly reinterpreted by splitting it into 2 levels, allowing ample daylight to flood into the double-volumed living hall and dining area, maximizing the usable floor space. As we step inside, you'll notice an unconventional layout that challenges traditional design norms. Private areas like bedrooms are thoughtfully located on the ground floor, while the upper level is dedicated to semi-private spaces, living and dining areas. This inversion of typical layout norms creates a clear demarcation between personal and communal spaces. A striking feature of the upper level is the staircase, designed not just for function but also for fun. Adjacent to it, a playful slide invites the younger members of the family to experience a bit of joy and adventure every day. This design choice embodies the couple's desire to merge practicality with enjoyment. Ascend to the second floor, and you'll encounter the innovative use of wall-protruded concrete slab steps. These steps, paired with sleek metal railings, ensure an open and visually engaging connection between the levels. It's all part of the design philosophy to foster an interactive and fluid living environment. The heart of this home is the living hall, a double-volumed space elevated to a triple volume with a high-sloped ceiling and semi-exposed linear trusses. This architectural choice not only enhances the grandeur of the space, but also fosters a sense of openness and continuity. On the mezzanine level, we find an exciting addition: a mini rock climbing area. This unique feature offers an indoor adventure, perfectly aligning with the family's active lifestyle and their desire for multifunctional spaces. The design continues to impress with a spacious balcony off the main living area, framed by full-height openable glass door panels. This element not only provides stunning views of the lush greenery of TTDI Park, but also enhances natural light and cross-ventilation throughout the home. The interior aesthetic follows a minimalist and industrial design approach. Bare concrete and cement-rendered floors contribute to a modern, almost brutalist character, which perfectly aligns with the owner's vision. This raw, contemporary look creates a striking contrast against the home's more playful and vibrant features. Jay and Qingyi's dream has come to life through this thoughtful renovation, combining minimalist elegance with functional spaces tailored to their adventurous spirit. This home isn't just a place to live. It's a canvas where daily life and design intersect in beautifully unexpected ways. Thank you for joining us on this tour of a truly transformative project in TTDI. We hope you've enjoyed exploring this blend of minimalist design and innovative spatial solutions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring architectural journeys. Until next time, keep dreaming and designing,